Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit your Christmas door bow. In your box you'll find two pieces of fabric, one longer and one shorter, a piece of ribbon, your pre-made Christmas door bow and some cable ties. You may also need to find some safety pins if you want to do this step in the installation. Right, so the first step is to take the longer piece of fabric and then drape it up over the top of your door and then pull it down slightly and then pull it out underneath your door there. Whilst you hold both ends of the fabric in one hand, just use the other hand just to fold over the edges of your fabric just for a neater finish. Next, take a cable tie and fix it around your pieces of fabric, but then also make sure to fold over the edges of your fabric on the bottom of your door as well. Before you fully tighten your cable tie, just check that both ends are the right length, and then cinch together the fabric just so it gives a bit of a gathered look on the top and the bottom of your bow. Fully tighten the fabric and then you can go ahead and fully tighten that cable tie as well. Then take a pair of scissors and carefully snip off the excess. Next you want to take the shorter piece of fabric that's going to go widthways around your door, feeding it in through where the hinges are on the side of your door. Check that you're not covering over any locking mechanisms whilst you fold over the edges of your fabric. Then take another cable tie and take it around all of the layers of your fabric and then just loosely put it into position for now. Check that your tails are the same length and then you want to go ahead and tighten it and then tighten your cable tie as well, and then take a pair of scissors and carefully snip off that excess. Next, take your pre-made bow and then tie it in a bow around the vertical piece of your fabric that's going around your door. This is an optional step, but if you want to secure your bow even further, just take some safety pins and secure it there either side. Next, come behind your door and then pull all your fabric together and secure it in place with the piece of ribbon that we've provided for you. Just check that you don't need to trim any of your tails as well. And you have it, just a last little bit of primping. Just make sure your tails are all nice and neat, and there you have it, your installed Christmas door bow.